Hey, it's Jason. I'm here at the Swan Reserve in Orlando, Florida. I'm here for a business conference for 2 nights. I initially was staying farther away. This hotel opened up. For the conference, it was $400 a night. I was upgraded to a 1-bedroom, which I guess basically just means I have a separate door I can shut. It's spacious. I'm going to focus on giving you a tour of the room exclusively. This is at the Swan Reserve. It's the 8th floor facing the pool, and it is a 1-bedroom suite. So you have a king bed in the bedroom, and then you have the lounge area. So I'm just going to walk you through the room, not going to focus a whole lot on the property, tons of other videos there. This is my unfiltered, unbiased view of the Swan Reserve. So coming into the room, it is spacious. My observations are when you walk into the lobby, it's not really a grand lobby downstairs. You take an escalator to the 3rd floor. On the 3rd floor, you have a bar, a restaurant. It's very spacious, very new. I am taking this video in 2022, late October. You're probably not going to watch this till January, February of 23 when I publish it. It's a brand new hotel. It smells new. It looks new. The 1-bedroom suite, you walk in, you have a nice table. A giant TV, what is it, 5 feet? Massive TV. You have a mirror. You have a seating area. You have the bathroom. Let's go through the seating area first. You have 3 total TVs in this room. So if you have a conference, throw a TV up, or if you're lounging, watch TV in the seating area. You have a couch. I believe this is a pull-out. Yeah, so you could, it's a pull-out bed. So it looks like that would be a queen pull-out. So this is great if you're a family. You could have an option for connecting room, telephone, functional space here, TV. You have a nice seating area and chair. So I really like having space in a room. It means a lot to me. And you can see the pool down there. Looks like a spacious pool. Looks like adequate seating. Over there they have a little fire pit. And then it looks like that is a maybe a little cabana bar or something along those lines. And you might be able to see the side of the hotel there. This is looking away from the Dolphin. It's looking towards the highway. Directly behind me would be the Dolphin and Swan. So if you're on the front of the hotel, you would be looking at the Dolphin and Swan. I guess this could be considered the back of the hotel, which would be looking at the pool and a little lake down there. To get to the Dolphin, you literally just cross the street. It's a crosswalk intersection. It will be outside. There's no bridge or pedestrian bridge. So keep that in mind if you're going to be doing an event at the Dolphin. But it's only maybe a 5-minute walk, if that. Super, super easy. You have the bathroom area. Very nice, spacious room, which is what I like. I don't feel crammed. You have the stand-up shower. So if you do have kids that want a bathtub, you know, as most hotels are now, it is going to be a shower. A nice vanity. Plenty of soaps, so they're not communal soaps. Yay! I hate those. You have, you can shut the door just for the bathroom, shut the doors just for the shower area. You know, you could feel really spa-like and shut the doors, you know, and get your shower on. Then you have the bed. Looks like I have a cool little treat here. They gave me an orange lollipop. So that's a nice touch. I always like when hotels do that. You have climate control in here. Plenty of USB charging ports and outlets next to each bed as well, or next to the bed. A massive TV in here as well. A nice workstation, so very conducive to 2 people. All of the lights have USB charging and a micro USB port, which I love, plus the standard USB port. This is my view from the bedroom. Better view of the fire pit down there. A nice spacious pool. Looks like a cabana. You can rent those cabanas if you wanted to. So that's kind of cool. And then you can see the side here. So this is the bedroom in the Swan Reserve. This is a 1-bedroom suite, as they call it. A nice closet. Extra pillows. I have to say, I'm usually a bit of a stickler for hotels. I usually complain about how they look. I think this hotel is modern, contemporary enough without being too gaudy and IKEA-like and cheesy. Everything seems solid and doesn't seem junky. The fixtures in the bathroom seem nice. You know, your countertops are decent. So, you know, things I look for that most people probably just give a hoot about. I don't feel like I'm staying in just a complete junk hole. I actually feel like there's a level of quality. I like the paneling behind the bed. You know, it adds a nice texture. You know, it's kind of themed for Florida. He's swimming in a pool. And the space is just fantastic. You know, you have a great seating area, a great little dinner area / conference room. I'm going to take a video conference here tomorrow. It's going to look like I'm in an office, which I love. I'll sit here and have a TV behind me. Oh, there is a fridge. I was going to say, I'm curious if there's a fridge. You have a little tiny fridge. You have a microwave. Well, that's nice because you could eat here. Your coffee. Let me give you another view. So, Swan Reserve, that is my opinion. For the price, I think it's worth it. It's clean. It's conveniently located. They say you can walk to Epcot, which I think you just walk over to Dolphin, and between Dolphin and Swan, there's a path to go to Epcot and one of the other parks. And I would recommend it, especially if you're traveling with a small family, say 2 kids max, or maybe it's, you know, 2 different adults traveling for an event and, you know, or running the marathon or who knows what, and you want to have separate spaces. This is a great space to kick back. I could see my wife and son coming here and having enough space to stay a couple nights with our son being able to run around and not get bored versus just a really cramped room. We have stayed in the Dolphin. I was not a huge fan of it. It was very dated. We actually checked out and got an Airbnb. I would stay here if we booked this. Hope this review was helpful. This was taken late October of 2022. I'm publishing it in January of 2023, more than likely, just because of the queue of videos. So this is how recent of a video it is. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. Appreciate it. Have a great day.